Manila Mayor Isko Moreno has moved to ban noisy motorcycles in the city. The details in this report by Mobile Journal Denise Valdez Sancho.
Goodbye modified mufflers. Hello peaceful Manila nights. Operations to confiscate motorcycles with open or modified mufflers began as per the orders of Manila Mayor Isko Moreno. This is backed by the recently signed Executive Order No. 4, strictly enforcing the Motor Vehicle Modified Muffler Noise Regulation.
Karapatan din ng tao ng pangkalahatan sa hating gabi, mahimbing siyang matulog. So, ang punto namin bilang gobyerno, again, wag na ninyong gawin yan. Saka sayang lang, kagastos lang kayo dyan, wala namang kapararakan.
Under Ordinance No. 8772, motorcycle mufflers exceeding 99 decibels shall be confiscated, and an ordinance violation receipt will be issued. Violators will be fined 1,000 pesos for the first offense. Succeeding offenses are 2,000 and 3,000 pesos respectively. Moreno also clarified that motorcycles with 400cc engines are exempt from the said ordinance. Meanwhile, motorcycle riders expressed their reaction to the ordinance.
Nagmamotor din ako, di naman kailangan yun. Di naman parang pang-plastic lang nila yun siguro para pagtinginan sila. Pwedeng gumamit, pwedeng hindi. Huwag na lang siguro kasi maingay kasi yun. Nakakabulabog sa mga residente.
Chris, a resident, expressed her frustration with motorcycle riders using noisy mufflers.
Bilang sa akin lang po is nakakabulabog po kasi siya sa mga nakakapaligid po sa atin. Tapos lalo pa sakit po sa tenga.
Moreno assured the public that their once sleepless nights will soon be replaced with peace and orderliness. In a report by the Manila Police District, 13 modified mufflers were already seized on the first day of enforcement during checkpoints in Tondo. Meanwhile, Moreno clarified that sellers and installers of modified exhaust pipes are not covered by the said ordinance, pointing out that the violation lies solely in the act of using these illegal mufflers on public roads.
Ano ang magandang solusyon? Wag na. Gamitin nyo na lang yan. Hindi naman tutulin yan. Dahil malakas yung... Kung gusto niyo na matulin, bili kayo ng big bike. Kailangan namin pakinggan yung kahilingan ng taong bayan na matulog ng maimbing at mapayapa, walang gulo sa ating gabi sa lungsod ng Maynila.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdez Sancho. We are One News.